Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming prerequisites, a clear view of the sky and your satellite account details. Once you have power and credentials, mount the antenna in its permanent spot. Make sure the mount is stable. Next, connect the modem to the antenna and power it up. Watch LEDs for boot sequence. While it boots, open your device and access the modem web UI or app. Input account or APN info so the network can authenticate. This gets you from 0 to initial lock attempts quickly. Now focus on achieving signal lock. Open the modem's signal screen and watch SNR and RSSI as you move the dish. Once done, make course adjustments to azimuth and elevation, then fine-tune in 1-degree increments until SNR improves and RSSI steadies. While adjusting, have an assistant confirm modem reports locking messages. When levels are consistent, tighten bolts and secure the cabling. Then save the alignment settings in the modem so the antenna resumes quickly after power cycles. Finish by validating the connection. Run speed and latency tests to confirm throughput meets plan. Make sure firmware on modem and router is current. Enable auto reconnect and schedule backups of your configuration. Once complete, secure all hardware and label cables for maintenance. If things go wrong, start troubleshooting. Verify line of sight for trees or new obstructions, swap coax or power cables to rule out faults, and perform a modem reboot or factory reset only after saving credentials.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.